Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
That we get all the processes right and field the candidate for the Anambra governorship election. We are glad to announce to you all that we are on course and APGA will be restored to its pride of place. On 22nd June, we peacefully and successfully conducted the special ward congresses in all the 326 wards in Anambra State, where we democratically elected 3-man ad hoc delegates per ward. Just yesterday, being the 23rd June 2021, the National Working Committee of our party met. The NWC applauded the members of the party in Anambra State who thronged the ward offices across the 326 wards in the state to elect 3-man ward delegates who would elect the governorship candidate of the party on 1st of July 2021, in line with the provisions of the party constitutions, INEC guidelines, and the Electoral Act. The party is ready for the July 1st primary election, and the winner will lead APGA to victory at the November 6, 2021 governorship election. The National Working Committee of APGA has also resolved to suspend former governor of Central Bank of Nigeria and governorship aspirant Professor Chukwuma Soludo from the party for anti-party activities. This suspension has also been ratified this morning by the National Executive Committee of the party, which rose from a meeting earlier this morning. The party resolved to suspend Professor Soludo and 3 other members due to their unrelenting effort at ensuring that the party is not united to focus on winning the governorship election. People who have been identified as having cut deals with other political parties to act subterfuge for them in our party will be shown the way out. You will note that the motley crowd of aggrieved people are today gathered somewhere in Oka, purporting to be holding a governorship primary election of our party. I can best describe this gathering as a sham and an effort in futility, and that in due time, the courts will declare it as invalid, unconstitutional, null and void, and of no effect whatsoever. When they realize the pointlessness of their gathering, they will surely retrace their steps back to the mainstream APGA. It is the party, its manifesto, and track record that resonates with Ndi Anambra, and not any one man who thinks too highly of himself. No member of APGA, particularly in Anambra, is more popular than the party. Anambra is APGA, and APGA is Anambra. The National Executive Committee also ratified the delegates list for onward submission to INEC in line with the INEC guidelines, and is very optimistic that the party will retain its hold on power in Anambra State and move on to play a more dominant role in the 2023 general election. Thank you. Which means all processes in ensuring that the 1st of July governorship primaries holds in Anambra State. Like we've said before, and we're still going to reiterate, APGA belongs to every one of us. Governor Willie Obiano is one out of other members of All Progressives Grand Alliance. And I'm believing that he will toe the line of the rule of law. He will toe the line of ensuring that APGA retains Anambra State. And the only way that APGA can produce a governorship candidate in Anambra State, as it is right now, judging by the letters written by INEC to Victor Oye, is that you must follow the Jude Okeke-led APGA, which is the legally recognized APGA in Nigeria.